Alright, hello, coming at you from the base, and we're going on a mission. So yesterday was a perfect day. I'm talking perfect day. And I didn't get enough video film, so I'm going back up to Sapa. I'm gonna film some footage up at Sapa. You can see I got my winter clothes on. I was there yesterday, and it was one of the best days, but I didn't film. I was there for different reasons. So today it's a solo run. I'm going up there with the mission of getting some film, getting some footage, and yeah. So this will be downtown Sapa. This will be the square. I'm just gonna sit near the lake, watch the skateboarders, watch the street hustlers, show off the tourists. You know, like just show you what it's like downtown Sapa. So. Anyways, my coffee's here, so I gotta go. What is it from Wolf of Wall Street? Boom, 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 boom. Sing with me now. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Anyways, yeah, check this out. That is perfection. It's the gear that we got for the run. We got Batman helmet, 1 mask, 2 gloves, 1 beanie, 1 vest, cappuccino. We are loaded for bear. So I will, next video you guys see, I'll be up in Sapa. So see you later. Bye.